Welcome to Ajaxar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss matter around us. Class 9 AP and TS State Syllabus. Question and answers. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Application of concepts. Let us discuss question and answers in application of concepts. First one, mention the applications of compressibility in our daily life. Let us discuss gas cylinders. Gas is compressed and stored in gas cylinders. Second one, shaving foam is compressed, so it comes as foam. Due to compressibility, only medicines in syringe are injected into our body through the needle. Due to compressibility property, only liquids adjust themselves in a container. So, these are all the 4 applications of compressibility in our daily life. First one, gas cylinders. Second one, shaving foam. Third one, due to this compressibility, medicines syringe are injected into our body through the needle. So, due to compressibility, only medicines in syringe are injected in our body through the needle. So, due to compressibility property, only liquids adjust themselves in a container. So, liquids adjust themselves in a container. Okay. Next. Second one. Mention the situations where we use diffusion in our day-to-day life. Let us discuss. First one. The mixing of different gases in air is a natural process that takes place continuously. Second one. Smoke coming out of factories is seen only near the mouth of chimneys. After rising high, it mixes up with air and vanishes out. So, this happens because of diffusion of gases. When salt solution kept in water, this makes the whole solution become salty after some time. So, this happens because of diffusion in liquids. Alloys are possible to get prepared because of diffusion of solid into solid. So, these are all the situations diffusion in our day-to-day life. Okay. Next one. Third question. How can we smell perfume sitting several meters away from the source? Let us discuss with answer. We know that the particles of gas are highly mobile in air and diffuses faster compared to liquids and gases. So, the particles of perfume vapors also move in air for several meters. Hence, we can smell perfume sitting several meters away from the source. So, from these situations, we can smell perfume sitting several meters away from the source. Okay. Next question. Fourth one. How do you prove that the speed of an ammonia is more than that of speed of diffusion of hydrochloric acid? Let us discuss. First one, take 1 meter long narrow test tube or glass tube. Second, take 2 cotton balls. Third one, soak 1 cotton ball in HCl, nothing but hydrochloric acid solution, and other in ammonia, that is NH3. NH3 nothing but ammonia solution. So, insert them separately at the 2 ends of the tube. Block the ends of the tube and observe. Here we are taking first 1 meter long narrow test tube or glass tube, and next we have to take 2 cotton balls and soak 1 cotton ball in HCl and other in NH3, that is ammonia. So insert them separately at the two ends of the tube. So block the ends of the tube and observe. Next, see the picture, speed of diffusion of gases. Here we are taking the glass tube and taking two balls. One is HCl. So HCl dipped in one cotton ball, that is one cotton ball is dipped in HCl. This is another cotton ball which is dipped in ammonia, that is NH3, and NH3 dipped cotton ball. This is HCl dipped cotton ball. These two are separated. Now observe this picture. White fumes ring, that is NH4Cl. So now box. Next, the hydrochloric acid gives off hydrogen gas and ammonia gives off ammonia gas. Both gases react and form a white fumes ring, that is NH4Cl. So here HCl plus NH3 gives rise NH4Cl. The ring usually forms nearer to HCl end because HCl diffuses slower than NH3. Thus, we can prove that speed of diffusion of ammonia is more than the speed of diffusion of HCl. Okay. Now, we'll discuss fifth question. Give examples that the matter which will be available in different states. First one, solid state, that is ice, glass, rock, most metals, table sugar, frozen carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, wood, butter, etc. Next we will discuss in liquid state, water, alcohol, milk, mercury, vegetable oil, ethanol, bromine, blood, honey, coffee, etc. The last one is gaseous state, air, helium, nitrogen, water vapor, propane, natural gas, ozone, hydrogen sulfide. So these are the examples that the matter which will be available in solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Okay. Next one. Sixth question. Draw the diagram showing the experimental arrangement to verify the speed of diffusion of two gases. See the picture. See, this is the picture of speed of diffusion of two gases. Here we are taking the glass tube. First we have to take the glass tube and two cotton balls. One is dipped in HCl, the other is dipped in NH3. We have to separate these two cotton balls, and after that here white formous ring NH4Cl is formed near the HCl. Okay, this is the pictorial representation of speed of diffusion of gases. Okay, this is the diagram showing the experimental arrangement to verify the speed of diffusion of two gases. Next, now we'll discuss higher order thinking questions, or we can calling as HOTS, HOTS, nothing but higher order thinking questions. Let us discuss. Now first one, we can't rejoin the broken chalk easily, give reasons. So here in this question, why we can't rejoin the broken chalk easily, give reasons. Now let us discuss the reasons. First one, force of attraction between the particles of the chalk is weak. So force of attraction is weak. Second one, it is easy to break but we can't join. The third one is to join two materials, we need to let the molecules of two get near enough for the Coulomb forces to start acting. So next one, that's why any solid keeps its shape. So liquids can't keep its shape because the molecular distance in liquids is too large for this action. So here molecular distance in liquids is too large. So that's why we can't resign the broken chalk easily. These are the reasons. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next question. Second question. Is the space between the particles in the matter influence the speed of diffusion? Explain. Let us discuss. Space between the particles of the gaseous substance is more than the solids and liquids. So in making soda water, if we pass carbon dioxide, that is CO2, into water, it diffuses fastly. So third one, when we try to mix two liquids, they also diffuses fastly, but when compared to gas to liquid, it may take more time to diffuse. If you try to dissolve sugar or salt in water, they will take more time to diffuse because the space between particles is very less in solid state substance. So, we can conclude that space between gas to liquid particles is more and take more time to diffuse, and space between the two liquid particles is more, so they will diffuse speedily. Okay, first one, space between the particles of the gas substance is more than the solids and liquids. In making soda water, if we pass CO2 into water, it diffuses fastly. When we try to mix two liquids, they also diffuses fastly. But when compared to gas to liquid, it takes more time to diffuse. If you try to dissolve sugar or salt in water, they will take more time to diffuse because the space between the particles is very less in solid state substance. So, we can conclude that the space between gas to liquid particles is more and take more time to diffuse, and space between the two liquid particles is more. So, they will diffuse speedily. Okay. Next. Now we'll discuss MCQs. First one. Which of the following is available in three states in our daily life? That is at normal condition. Petrol, water, milk, kerosene. So in these four options, which one available in three states in our daily life? Water. So water is correct answer. Second option is correct. Go to the second question. Which of the following can be compressed? Iron, water, air, wooden piece. So, in among these four, which one is compressed? Air. So, air can be compressed. Third option is correct. Next one. In which of the following substance speed of diffusion is more? Smell of petrol, smell from flowers, smell from naphthalene balls, gas leaked from gas cylinder. So gas leaked from gas cylinder is in this speed of diffusion is more. So fourth option is correct. Thanks for watching this video.